Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shazwa Syami bin Said. Metric number 10DEP 20F2024.
My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Maini. My ticket number is 10DEP 20F 2032. Today we are going to talk about global warming. What is global warming, Shazwan?
Global warming is the slow increase the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere because an increase amount of the energy striking the Earth from the sun is being trapped in the atmosphere and not radiated out into space. The Earth atmosphere has always acted like a greenhouse to capture the sun heat, ensuring that the Earth has enjoyed temperatures that permitted the emergence of life form as we know them, including humans. Without atmosphere, greenhouse, the Earth would be very cool. Global warming, however, is the uh, equivalent of a greenhouse with high um, efficiency reflective glass installed the wrong way around. Um, the best evidence of this may come from a triple cooling event that took place some 1,500 years ago. Two massive volcanic eruptions, 1 year after another, placed so much black dust into the upper atmosphere that little sunlight could penetrate. Um, Temperature plummeted, crop failed, people died of starvation, and the black death started its march. As the dust slowly fell to earth, the sun was again able to warm the world and life returned to normal. Today, we have the opposite problem. The problem is not that too little sun warmth is reaching the earth, but that too much is being trapped in our atmosphere. Okay, Fidaus, can you explain how does global warming drive?
Okay, global warming is a drive when the heat is energy and when you add energy to any system charge occur. Because all systems in a global climate system are connected, adding heat energy causes the global climate as a whole to change. Much of the world is covered with an ocean which heats up. When the ocean heats up, more water evaporates into clouds. Where storms like hurricanes and typhoons are forming, the result is more energy-intensive storm. A warmer atmosphere makes a glaciers and mountain snowpack, the polar ice cap, and the great ice shield resulting of the Antarctica melt raising the sea level. Change in temperature change the great pattern of wind that bring the monsoons in Asia and rain and snow around the world, make, making drought and unpredictable weather more common. This is why scientists have stopped focusing just on global warming and now focus on the largest topic of climate change. Shazwan, I want to know what is causes warming.
Okay, Fidas. The causes global warming is global warming occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollution collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiation that have bounced off the Earth's surface. Normally, this radiation will escape into space, but the pollutants, which can last for years to uh, centuries in the atmosphere, trap the heat and cause the planet to get hot. Top nature cycles and fluctuation have caused the Earth's climate to change several times over the last 800,000 years, our current era of global warming is directly attributable to human activity, specifically to our burning of fossil fuel such as coal, oil, gasoline, and natural gas, which result in the greenhouse effect. Okay, Fidaus, can you tell effect of global warming?
Yes, 8 year scientists learn more about the consequences of global warming, and each year we also gain new evidence of its devastating impact on people and the planet. As the heat wave, drought, and the flood associated with climate change become more frequent and more intense, communities suffer and debt to rise. If we are unable to reduce our emission, scientists believe that climate change could lead to death of more than 250,000 people around the globe every year and force 100 million people into poverty by 2030. Conclusion: now there are solutions that we can stop global warming. However, we human and government need to move forward to implement the global warming solution. To reduce global warming, we can do to reduce contribution of greenhouse gases to atmosphere. There, Therefore, the solution that we can reduce global warming are reducing gasoline, electricity, and our activities that cause global warming. To reduce gasoline mean we have a choice to choose hybrid car that reduce using a gasoline. Besides, petrol price are increasing. If a person every day drives to work, they need to pump petrol after 3 days and cause a carbon dioxide. Another way to reduce gasoline is take a public transport to carpool to work. It can help reduce and carbon dioxide and save costs. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.